day 4. It is cold and wet. We went from Pelion Hut all the way across to Kia Ora today, but it rained the whole time. I don't have heaps of video from today because it just rained and was windy all the way over. We started to quite a steep ascent. There was a little waterfall on the way. I got a little bit of footage of that just before the rain set in. Just before you get to the top of the ascent, they recommend that you stop, pull over, put all your wet weather gear on, because then you come out over this plain and the plane just goes on for a while and you're just completely exposed to the weather. We just got absolutely drenched. Everybody made it to the hut and everybody's trying to camp in the hut. The rain has thankfully kind of stopped now, so I've pitched my tent. But yeah, as you can see from this little shot here, everybody's bags and gear is in the hut drying at the moment because everybody got drenched. Everybody is in the same boat. So yeah, not a lot to tell you from today, but yeah, we'll hopefully the weather clears up a bit tomorrow and we get to have a look at the mountains. They've tried to peep their head through a bit now, but yeah, we can't really see too much, to be honest. Yeah, today was the day that people could have gone up Mount Ossa or one of the Mount Pelions, Pelion East or Pelion West, one of them, but I don't think anybody went up. Oh, actually no, there were a couple of guys that went up, but they only just arrived back here at about 5 o'clock, so I think everybody else decided against it. But yeah, I'll head to bed now and we'll hopefully show you some more tomorrow. There's a few waterfalls and stuff tomorrow, so yeah, see you then.